Yep, and if you don't, then it pinches you and you literally die. Look how big this thing is compared to you, Lily. Turkey fryer lobster fish tank. Big money, big lobsters.
Oh my God! I'm not wearing an apron.
That thing is massive. Dude, there's probably more meat inside the joint areas than the freaking, like, a whole crab. Dude, I know, right? Bro, we need to eat this thing. Yeah, we're gonna eat it. Oh, bro, you're this guy, bro. Yeah. Dude. Bro, for a second, yeah, I wouldn't put that past you, dude. What the heck? So, yes, we're gonna eat this. How are you gonna cook this? This is huge.
Got everything outside for you guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Bro, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Bro, I'm starting to hate it. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I didn't think this guy was gonna let us eat this thing. Look how big it is, man.
The deal is, though, Farley has to get it out of the tank.
You gotta get out of the tank, bro.
Come on,
bro. You're gonna be a YouTuber, bro?
Yo!
Bro, go ahead. Yeah. This is our friend Farley guy. He's gonna make a channel soon.
Come on,
Go ahead.
Yeah, 100%.
Guys, if he takes this out of the tank, if he takes it out of the tank, y'all have to subscribe to our friend Farley, guys. You gotta subscribe.
100%.
Go ahead. You gotta grab it behind the claws or you're dead.
I got it.
You should hold that lighter. That was cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, bright. That way you can see it.
Let's put this tank down.
Bro, no. You can't move that. It's full of water. You'll die. We'll all die. We'll all die if you touch the tank.
Yo!
You can reach that. Grab one claw. Yeah, grab the right claw and just lift. Bro, you got this, bro.
Yo!
Bro, you got this. Don't be spooked. Oh my God. You got this, bro. Grab it. Just grab it. No, there's no rubbers on it. There's no rubbers on it, bro. Just like me, bro. Just like me and my girl, bro.
Welcome to the life, my friend.
Yeah. You want to be a YouTuber, bro? You gotta grab it. You want to be a YouTuber? You gotta grab it, bro. Grab it. Bro. Oh my God. Oh, it pooped? It just pooped.
Something.
Look, it just pooped a little
I
bit.
think that's my skin.
You have to do it,
You have to
bro.
do it, Farley. Come on.
Yeah, you have to do it.
What are the chances of me actually getting bitten?
You probably could get destroyed like really bad.
Just make sure you
Just be
hold
careful.
it at the grips in the back of the joint. That's what it is.
No, just be careful.
Just be careful.
You got this.
Yeah,
You're gonna be a YouTuber, bro. You gotta get used to stuff like this.
This is what show.
Yeah.
You do this?
Yes. We do this every day, bro.
Let me just do a test.
This guy's gonna die. Get over here. No, grab it, bro. Yeah, you wanna be on YouTube? He's gonna see something. What are you doing with this? Yeah, go ahead. See the reaction time. Yeah! It's been in the box, bro.
Not moving.
It's cold. Yeah. See, look, you're good, bro. You're good. Just grab it. Because you're the newest YouTuber. You have 0 subs. You haven't even made the channel yet. Lowest subs goes. Oh, bro. Grab it right behind the claws. Yep, right there. Yep, and if you don't, then it pinches you and you literally die.
What do you say like that?
I'm just letting you know.
I will literally die. No, you won't.
You're not gonna die, but your finger's gonna get chopped off. Yeah, you don't need the freaking mallet. Just grab it, bro. Just grab it fast. Just grab this. You got it. You got this. Everyone's gonna subscribe to you if you grab this thing.
Grab it.
Grab.
This is special.
He's sweating. He's sweating. Look at that nice hairline though. Look at that crispy tape though. Grab it.
Alright, just grab it. Ready? Yep.
Yeah, behind the claws. Yeah, right behind the claws.
2,
3.
Can I grab one and grab the other?
Yeah, grab one first and then the other. Yep, good.
Yep, there you go.
Now grab the other claw. There you go. Now grab the other claw.
Quickly. Yo.
Grab behind the other claw.
Alright, let me just put this.
Grab behind the other claw.
You're good.
Yeah. Now you have complete control. Once you grab that, complete control.
here it is.
You did it.
Yo.
You did it, bro. Lift it up out of the tank. Oh man, the floor is not looking so good. What do you think? Yeah, put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Yeah, put it in the sink.
Yo.
Oh my God. Dude, that thing is massive, bro. You got us, though, Joey. I thought you were really gonna keep this thing in the tank. I was like, what the heck? Bro, so this is not a pet. This is literally our food.
100%.
All right, so
15 pounds for real.
yeah, it was a good idea to put it inside the tank though, to keep it like wet, I guess. Yeah. So whatever. But dude, while we waited for what, dude? Show them what you've been doing. Oh my God, dude. I know. Look at all the butter that he's using for this thing.
I got some butter.
Oh my God.
Butter those. You're eating this too, boy, not me.
Bro, but that's a lot of butter, but that pot's not big enough for the lobster.
The lobster's not gonna fit in here, bro.
What are you gonna do?
I got actually a turkey fryer outside.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of here, bro. That's a great idea, though.
Put it outside.
Dude, actually, dude, this thing is a little too close to my behind. If you know what I'm saying with the... Joey, what the heck? Dude, okay, so what are you doing?
This is a turkey fryer.
Oh my God, it's huge.
And you usually go ahead and put the turkey here.
Yeah.
Drop the turkey.
Yeah.
Hang out with the little
And
pole.
it's so big, the lobster, you guys, so big, you have to use a turkey fryer. Okay, fill it up, bro. Turkey frying a lobster. What you doing there? You walking dogs out here, bro? The size of that thing. Hold it up, bro. Bro, hold that thing up, man. Oh my God, that is ridiculous. Oh my God, that's the size. That's sick and it's all red and stuff. Sheesh. So we're gonna throw that thing. You have Superman on you too? Oh, do them curls, Farley. You got this. Show them. Curls for the girls, baby. Lobster and curls, bro.
Look how big this thing is compared to you, Lily. She finally made it. She's been dying to go ahead and see what we got today. Look at the size of that. Hold on. You're about 5'2".
Yeah.
That thing is massive. No, hold it on against your chest. Hold it up. Oh my God, it's huge. It's absolutely massive, guys. It's massive. I'm ready to eat. But before that, I have a scale.
Oh, perfect.
So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and weigh you first. Come on, if you're comfortable with that.
Yeah.
All right, without the lobster. All right, carefully now, guys. She said get on the scale. Go ahead, tap it harder. Now, we're gonna find out how much he weighs. Ready? Come on. She weighs 125 pounds and 0.1 little ounces. All right, now grab Larry.
Okay, Larry.
Grab Larry again the same way you grabbed him. And we're just gonna go ahead and subtract the weight from Larry to you.
Okay.
And that's how we'll know. So wait, off.
Oh, off.
On. Hey. Okay, now we wait. Come on. 136.8 with Larry. You were 125.1. If we do the math, 3, 6, carry the 4. That's definitely gotta be. It's a 12-pound lobster. Oh my God, guys, that is insane. So the time has come. Let's go ahead and get Zach and Farley, and then put this sucker away.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I don't know.
All right. Oh my God, be careful. It's hot. Don't be careful.
Come on.
All right, let's drop this thing.
Dude, it's a wild bush lobster. He tried to grab it with the thing.
This thing's
Dude.
gonna be crazy. Be careful, buddy.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude. Oh my God. Hold it up one more time. Go ahead. It just looks so crazy right now. Like, it just looks so crazy. Does it all fit? Tuck it in.
Be careful.
Tuck it
Be
in.
careful with the water.
Oh. Tuck it in, bro. Tuck it in. Oh, it fits.
Look at that.
Nice.
Boy.
Woo.
Guys.
Bro, tuck those claws in, bro.
I got you.
Oh, the boiling water never looked so clean. Turkey fryer, lobster, fish tank.
This is insane.
Dude, it's already like getting crispy. Oh God. Just a 3rd degree burn. No problem.
Alright, we'll let this thing go, bro.
Look, he's swimming. He's good to go. All right, let's lit it up and butter it up.
Boy.
Big lobsters, big tits. Ow! God! All right, whatever. I'll just walk away. Thank you. Look at Farley's face.
Alright, guys, so it's time. It's
Woohoo!
100% ready.
Boy, that thing is. Oh yeah, bro. Look at the size of that thing, dude. That is huge. Look how big this whole thing is. Step closer, man.
So big.
That's massive.
It's insane.
A
how
whole
big it is.
turkey broiler. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna lift that thing up
Yeah,
and
we're
then
gonna put this here.
yeah.
I use one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a
Oh, there you go.
big old stick and just kind of grab it.
There you go.
No, I don't need the
Big mussels, big lobsters. Oh,
Careful, guys.
yeah, I'm careful. Go ahead.
There it is.
Dude.
Light right here. You can
Oh my god, that is unreal. That is unreal, dude. That is unreal. So you're gonna let it cool down then?
see. Yeah. I'm gonna let it cool down for probably about 5 minutes. Let it continue to cook because it's super, super hot.
Yeah, it looks pretty hot,
We're
dude.
gonna get in on it.
Oh,
Look at that.
it smells good, huh?
I'm so excited,
Oh
bro.
my god. Big money, big lobsters. What do you guys have going on? Oh my god, dude. This is ridiculous. Big butter, big lobsters. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh my god. Oh.
Butter. Know that?
Lobster. Oh, garlic butter. Oh
Chef
my
Joey
gosh.
Salam,
Chef Joey Salam. You ready to go for a swim, buddy?
Oh no, Larry.
Larry, no. Lift,
Like this.
lift.
Oh.
Eve.
One's still on.
Oh, here we go. Look at
Bro,
the size of this now. Oh.
dude.
This is insane.
Larry's leaking. That is wild, bro. Big lobsters, small heads. Honestly, that thing is huge, though. Ridiculous, ridiculous. All right, so
Now go pose
go.
with it.
Okay, I want to pose. I want to pose.
Gifted.
Ridiculous. Get it done. Stop eating it.
Go ahead, Three Musketeers. Stop. Butter.
Ridiculous. All right, so that is bro. We getting old out here, guys. I don't know what to tell you.
Oh my god. Dude, look at the size of this lobster tail.
That's ridiculous.
Leaking.
Oh
Larry's
my
leaking.
God.
What are you doing? Hold on. This is
Oh my god! I'm not wearing an
Oh my
apron.
god. Apron, smash it. No problem. Smash this thing down.
Okay.
Rubber mallet. The metal is right there. Oh, there's that one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I just got splashed.
Look at that meat. Wow. Oh my god.
That is
Look at this.
Wow.
Look at the size of this meat claw. It's full of freaking meat.
Big one.
Oh my
That is
god.
Bro, that's as big as
crazy.
Louis.
I know.
Oh,
Ah!
yo, cameraman,
Oh
smash
my
back.
God.
Behind the camera, girl.
Oh my god.
You guys alright?
What did I do to you?
Bro, that's wild. You need safety glasses. Oh god.
Jeez.
Look at this meat.
Oh my
Dang.
god. Dude, that's great.
Hold on.
Oh
One more.
my
Bring-
god.
back
Alright,
up,
Bobby
back up.
Flay.
Back up.
Alright, Bobby Flay.
Look
Get
at
in
this
there,
meat.
Lily. Go ahead.
Look at that. Look at that meat.
Oh my
No, I mean literally, go
god.
get a piece.
Get
I
a
got the
piece.
camera. Go ahead. You got
Really?
splashed on. We're live now, bro. Splash zone. Farley, go ahead. Get on the other side next to Joey. Oh,
Get a
It's
good
so
piece.
hot.
bro, open that thing up. What are you guys eating it like freaking
Look at that.
The Walking Dead? Butter,
Can I have my
dunks,
butter?
dunks of butter. Is it good?
Like,
What?
Piece?
Oh
my
man.
god.
Is it that good? Bro, open it up. Show the whole meat of this thing. Open it up, man. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh! Oh my god. Dude, big lobsters, big meat. Good meat.
That.
Oh my god. Dude,
That. I gotta break this. Want a
finesse
piece?
it. Dude, I do, but
Get a piece.
camera boy doesn't eat. No. I must wait.
Alright. Watch out for a second.
Watch out! Watch out! Oh, watch out! It's all over me! Oh! He's a murderer!
I think I got it.
I think you got it too. After all of that, you can shove your whole hand in that claw. Dude, that is wild.
Look at that.
Oh, got it.
You gotta
That's the man. Big claws, big lobster.
Oh my
That is
God.
out of the show. That is ridiculous. It's tail time. Let's go. Oh.
Go.
Oh yeah. Dude, what a good idea with the scissors. Oh my gosh. Dude, Larry, your tail. He has it.
Oh my gosh, dude. This
That's
thing
big.
is massive.
That's a big one.
That's a big one.
That looks delicious.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Struggling a little bit with that thing, dude. Two hands. Two hands.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god. Oh, muscle man. Muscle slam. Oh,
Look at that meat, dude.
dude, that
That's
is
insane.
massive.
You want a piece, Farley?
Dude, what?
I don't want to be like a monster.
Dude, that looks
dude.
that looks great.
There's so much meat here. It's insane. Look at this meat.
Pull that thing out. Can you? Oh my god, that is wild.
Hold on.
Big meats, big meats, big dunks. Oh, how are you? Oh, 15 pounds of meat. Lots a lot of meat in your mouth.
Oh my god.
That's crazy, dude. This is ridiculous.
We're gonna tear this thing up.
Yeah?
I hope you enjoyed this episode. We're gonna dine down.
Dine down.
See you in the next slave entry, guys.
Slave Ventures.
Booyah.